Have you ever wondered why we spend about a third of our lives sleeping? Actually, these hours of rest give your body time to heal, recharge, and rebuild itself. Let's dive into this fascinating world of sleep and learn how it's not just a chore, but your superpower and the key to better health and a better life. Imagine your body like a busy city that needs regular maintenance. During the day, your brain and body are constantly working, creating waste products that need to be removed. When night falls, something magical happens. Your breathing slows down, your heart rate calms, and your muscles relax, as if your body is getting ready for a night of rest. This is when your body's cleaning crew gets to work. While you're dreaming, your brain is buzzing with activity. It's clearing out the toxins that have built up throughout the day, like a gentle night shower for your brain. Your body is also busy repairing damaged cells, strengthening your immune system, and processing all the memories and experiences from your day. Adults need 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night, while teenagers need an extra hour or two, meaning 9 to 10 hours. Getting enough sleep keeps your mind sharp, your mood stable, and your body healthy. When your body is ready for sleep, it releases special chemical messengers called hormones to help you out. The main hormones are adenosine, which builds up throughout the day and makes you feel tired, and melatonin, often called the sleep hormone, which increases when it gets dark outside. These messengers are telling your body that it's time to rest and repair. Getting good sleep isn't just about feeling refreshed. Think of sleep as your body's nightly tune-up and repair session. It's linked to better learning, stronger memory, and faster reaction time, and it helps maintain healthy blood pressure, control your body weight, and fend off illness. It helps all of your body's systems run smoothly. As you can see, sleep is essential. Unfortunately, many people don't get enough sleep these days. In our busy lives, it's easy to think of sleep as wasted time, but skimping on sleep is like driving a car without maintenance. Eventually, things start to break down. The good news, getting a good night's sleep, is within your control. By making sleep a priority, you're giving your body the time it needs to heal, grow, and prepare for the challenges ahead. After all, there's a reason we feel so much better after a good night's sleep. It's your body's way of saying, thank you for the gift of sleep. So, tonight, when you get ready for bed, remember this. You're not just going to sleep, you're giving your body the time it needs to perform its bodily functions at its best. Getting enough sleep is essential for your life, health, and happiness. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to this channel for more informative content. Like and subscribe to this channel and keep watching.